This is Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation CEO coming to you from home base. We still need more funds, guys. Come on. We got to get the 17K goal. We got a lot of posts out there. We got the GoFundMe, and I even basically changed the name. So if you look at the GoFundMe, we have the new name up. Make sure to donate today. Scan the QR code or link in the description down below. Once this video becomes a video, please consider donating today, because then that way we can get some rail cars for next year. ERREC, Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation, will not have rail cars this year. For Railroad Days, we have decided we're going to hold off until we can raise enough funds to get the J. Marie here. So we need you guys to donate so that way we can pull it off. Now, we have teamed up with Rail Runner to help for some of this event, so we'll be riding with them, and we'll be helping them out with stuff. So and we'll have merch available at the booth. We'll have meet and greets where you can come meet us. We'll have stuff on display, some of our shirts that we have on display. So we may not have the items on site, but we may have them where you can get them online. So make sure to buy yours today on the Bonfire store or the String stuff, because we need your help. Because without you guys, we can't pull this off. So we need all the help we can get. Santa Fe is now September 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th. And the checkout is the 13th. If you want to join, time is running out. Just sign up with us and book your hotel, because they're going to get filled. If you want to join us and you are in New Mexico, in Albuquerque or Santa Fe area, and you want to join us, come and join us. You're welcome to join. I don't know if the Acoma right now is, if there's any more seats left to ride with us. But if there is, book your ticket now for, to ride with us in the Acoma, because once tickets sell out for that, it is out, I think, is what happens. So let's make sure to have the fun time ride. So let's, if you guys want to join now, and you get your 10% discount. So come and join us, so that way you can have some fun. Thank you to all the ones we have supported us so far, and what we do. Thank you for that. Let's keep raising the funds here, because then that way we have the car here in time for any runs. Let's get the J. Marie. But yeah, please help us. We need all the help we can get. And we need your help. Come on, folks. Please help us out. We're begging you. We're at 1,869. And we're at 800 something in the bank account. So let's keep going, guys. Let's try to get this at least matched. Come on, guys. The 4-year anniversary is coming up. Let's try to at least raise funds by next month, by June, or this month. So we need your help. Let's go, guys. Come on. We need your help. Let's do it this month coming up, June 20. I think the 21st is when, or 22nd, or no, 24th is when our 4-year anniversary is. So if you want to help us and get us to our goal, where we need to be, we're still active, we're good standing, we're a non-profit. Everything's where we need to be. Let's just keep doing this, guys. Come on. We need your help. Yeah, June 24th, 2022 is when we first started the business. We have an EIN text number. We have an entity ID. We have everything. We are registered with the state of New Mexico. We have a great team. We need your help. Come on, guys. Help us out, please. Thank you. Have a good night. And make sure to donate. Scan the QR code, buy merch, whatever, or come donate at Pete's Auto Care. The box is there.